Hello friends, hope you all are having a great weekend drawing and painting along with art and palette. Here I am Pushpanjali and welcome to my channel Art and Palette and also to the latest portrait series wherein I will demonstrate slowly step by step how to go about a portrait. Today we are going to make the lips. For this purpose, all we need is a 2B pencil, a 4B pencil and a micro tip 0.5 mm mechanical pencil, a kneaded eraser and a normal one or a usual one. We will first begin with a straight line and draw the ascent and the descent along either sides of this line. We will draw ovals to mark the highlights. Highlights are the points of contact when light falls on a surface. Here, we are considering that light is directly falling on the face. We will add the curvature along the center line and darken it with a 4B pencil. We will begin our shading with hatching and curve hatching lines. Further along, we will add cross-hatching lines to add dimension and volume to the lips. We will further darken the center line and shade along the edges. If the lips appear too dark to you, by now you can lift up some of the shades using a kneaded eraser. You can define the fine branches that appear on the lips using a micro tip pencil. Here's a pro tip from my end. Erase the boundary lines of the lips as we want to keep it subtle and realistic. Usually the lower lip is slightly larger than the upper one. You can draw as per your choice or the reference picture. Hope you have enjoyed drawing along in today's tutorial and you find it beneficial. Thank you for supporting me in this journey as we draw and paint along. Do like, subscribe and share with your family and friends. Share the word, it helps me as well as you as well. Stay tuned for more learning next week. Till then, bye, take care. Keep drawing, painting, keep living your dreams through your pictures. Thank you.